We cannot win if we don't try.
He's right here. Alright, but first, how I said, we're gonna read the car. This man came in clutch with the reader.
About to go to space.
We're literally taking off right now. We're literally taking off. Like, we're taking off into fucking space. Well, that's the first thing that comes up.
Hey, that's what I just replaced.
Are you serious?
That is exactly what I replaced. Bank 1, commonly known as the air-fuel ratio sensor. The air-fuel sensor.
Nice.
5mm spacers coming in today, live for a whopping $12.99. You're gonna go make your wheels perform and stick out a bar.
Basically. Let's fucking put them on.
Oh my God, would you look at that?
Like butter?
Das ist gut, ja?
Oh my God, Justin.
You need to get your fenders rolled now. If you get your fenders rolled, you should be good.
I can't even drive like this though, can I? Feel it.
Hold on. So here's the thing. Every time you hit a bump,
It's gonna get fucking...
you're gonna feel it. You're gonna really feel it.
We got the fucking new extension pipe on. Look at the fucking difference. So now that'll give us hopefully a few more inches on the back of our muffler. Yeah, it's such a big difference. And before, I couldn't have all 4 of these bolts with the shorter extension pipe. I was able to fucking bolt down all 4 of them, which is good. I still gotta get it welded so it sounds like a Tome, but we're gonna do with that another day. It's been about a week. We got some goodies. We got the 25 millimeter spacers and the 20 millimeter spacers. And then we got a fender roller. We're gonna roll the fenders in the back today. We're gonna do that. Waiting for my boy Justin to pull up. Well, while he pulls up, I'm just gonna take off the rear back wheels. All right, so right here we got our little fender roller.
We're doing an unboxing fan mail.
Yes, sir. Oh, look at that.
Someone bought us a fender roller.
Yeah, they did.
By someone, we mean Miguel.
They mean me. Alrighty. We're gonna get to work on this bad bitch. So I spent $100 fucking on a fucking fender roller that I can't even use today. I'm fucking pissed off right now. Oh, I'm freaking stupid. Can you pass me the pliers, please?
The pliers? My dad will ask me, he'll be like, Justin, go grab this tool. I'll go downstairs, I'll look for 20 minutes for a tool. I won't find it. Within 5 minutes, he'll find it. And he goes, Justin, what the fuck? It was right fucking there.
Well, there you go. We fucking got it.
I remember when they fell off on the highway. On the highway. One of those came off.
Came off?
Yeah.
My fucking wheel came off because of it. My wheel came off because of it, because we put the stock wheel back on. Remember, we were in Killingly, we forgot that this was on there. and this made the wheel fucking pop off.
Shit.
This little thing right here almost fucking cost me my life. So please, please remember to just torque your spacers down so your shit doesn't fall off and you end up crashing on the highway. We don't need that. Anyways, I'm torquing mine down to 110 foot-pounds for the spacers, and my wheels, I'm doing around 98, 100 foot-pounds. No, that's low-key perfect, bro. Like for now, till I can roll my fenders. I thought it was gonna be worse.
Nah, you can at least drive with that.
Yeah, I can at least drive with that. Sheesh.
800-pound silverback arch to the tree.
The wheels, spacers look so good. I just gotta raise this side a little bit. Oh, this side is the side that's low as fuck. I gotta fix that exhaust, yo. What the fuck? You did not just find that.
There's another one. Someone's been fucking. Someone with a very large cock. About it, I'm a Trojan man. Those perfect. Like that. Why the fuck you need to stretch that much? My meat ain't that fucking big.
Alright, boys. We've made it to Mexico. We are in Mexico. And I promise you, it is
Hola!
It's not cold here.
It's not, bro. Look, it's 78 degrees right now. Like,
or what? 40? We'll do 50.
it's all right. Like,
Oh, I know you did.
I let go. I told you if I was in second, I was gonna get his ass. I was gonna get his ass if I was in second. He started coming back though. That shit has top speed, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, it definitely has top end power. A lot of it.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, that turbo be fucking making that shit move at top end. That shit be, cause I got in front of him for a second. He came back! Shit! Alright, y'all. Alright, we're leaving Mexico. We're going back home. So
Yeah,
so
baby. Adios.
I'll see y'all back in the States. Trip to Mexico accomplished. We did. I know. But I am rubbing, so.
Mine's the same shit. The same shit. They get loud.